How to fix Citibank to not enable Zelle. To fix the Citibank to not enable Zelle, first of all, you have to disconnect your contact information from your old bank. You simply have to log into your old bank application or website, go to their Zelle transfer settings, and delete or remove your phone number or email. Once you do this, you simply have to now verify profile and mobile carrier details. Log into the Citi website on your desktop web browser, navigate to the profile and contact information. Ensure your full legal name matches your mobile phone bill exactly. Once you do this, you simply have to now go ahead and proceed to clear the mobile application cache. Go ahead and launch your device's app gallery, locate the Citibank application icon. Once you find it, long press it and tap the app info panel. I have not yet downloaded the application, but you simply have to follow the steps to clear the cache. Once you find the storage option, go ahead and tap on this, then tap the clear cache. Now you simply have to relaunch it, which should fix your problem.